Get more business and get found.
What does it mean to have a marketing coach inside of Simply Be Found? Well, it means you're going to be able to reach somebody to ask as many questions as you want about marketing. You can go through and be able to figure out what's going to work for your business and what is not. No matter if you're on our listings plan and getting on voice search, or if you're looking to get on maps or any of the networks that we work with about 500 of them: Apple, Google, Bing, the whole 9 yards, Yellow Pages, MapQuest, the list goes on. But all of our plans including our social media package comes with it, and so does our AI SEO. But any marketing questions you have, we want to hear them. That's how I get my videos. It's how I generate everything as far as our entire content. And my entire goal, and Dean's entire goal, which is my co-founder in Simply Be Found, is to be able to help and empower as many business owners as we can to be able to do their own marketing. And we took out our entire piece to where it's all done by support. It's all inside. We handle almost 100% of the support between him and I when you become a member of ours. And it's one of those things to where we want to be able to help you be able to get your business to where it needs to go. We want you to feel comfortable. We want you to feel knowledgeable and know that you're going to be going out. And that is a big key for both of us, to know that you are going to be taking care of every step of the way. Yeah, we are a small business here. We have less than 20 staff members at this point, and Dean and I handle almost 100% of the customer service. We have marketing coaches that are behind us and being able to help us be able to generate some of that stuff, but we are very involved in this because that's how we grow the product. We used to have a platform that you'd have to log into and do all kinds of crazy stuff in, and had to do posts and all this different stuff for the listings. And we took that back. The reason why we took that back is we want to be able to support you. A lot of people were not filling out their profile correctly, and we have to make some edits to it so that way it's working, and that way you have that coach behind you that knows that when you put that information in, it's not just going to go out as you put it, but where they're going to come back to you and say, hey, what if you change this? What if you do this? Hey, did you know about this category out there? Those are the things that are going to matter to your business most. Those are the things that are going to make you stand out and be able to drive more traffic to your business, to be able to get more leads, to be able to get more sales, and to be able to generate results that are going to matter for your business. And that is why you have a marketing coach. And that marketing coach kind of grows and gets bigger with you. And we make more suggestions even without you even pinging us. When you're on the AI SEO tool, or if you're on social media, we're here to be able to help you be able to achieve your goals and be able to get the most you possibly can from our tools, our expertise, and we want to be able to get you listed on as many networks as we possibly can. So that's what having a marketing coach in your back pocket is like, and that is why simplybefound.com is different, and we're different than the big corporations that are out there. So check us out, simplybefound.com. My name is Robert Downey, and I have been doing this stuff for almost 30 years now, since 1995. So we're a little bit different over here. If that's what you're looking for, check us out, simplybefound.com.